Dear students, in this video, let us solve 2020 SSLC science paper. There will be 8 multiple choice questions carrying 1 mark each. First question, the inner surface of solar cooker is coated with black paint too. Before answering this question, let us know about solar cooker. Now let us understand each and every part of solar cooker. Mirror reflects and focuses the rays inside the solar cooker. Glass sheet creates greenhouse effect, means increases the temperature inside the solar cooker. Inner surface of solar cooker is coated with black paint because black absorbs more heat compared to other colors. Now, correct answer for this question. The inner surface of solar cooker is coated with black paint to absorb more heat. Second question, as the pH value of a neutral solution increases. Before answering this question, let us understand about pH scale. In pH scale, values less than 7 indicates an acidic solution. In this solution, concentration of H+ ions is more. In pH scale, values more than 7 indicates basic solution. In basic solution, concentration of OH- ions is more. pH of neutral solution is 7. Now let us come to the question. As the pH value of a neutral solution increases. Correct answer. Basic property increases and number of OH- ions increases. Next question. In the given figure of cotyledons, the parts labeled as A and B respectively are. Before answering this question, let us understand about germination of seed and its parts. The seed contains the future plant or embryo. This part of cotyledon is called plumule. Plumule is the future shoot. This part of cotyledon is called radicle. This is future root. Two cotyledons contain stored food. Now, correct answer to this question. Primary shoot, primary root. Next question. An object is kept at the center of curvature of a concave mirror. The position and nature of the image formed is. Before answering this question, let us observe the way of formation of image by concave mirror. This is concave mirror. Let us draw principal axis. Now label F and C. According to question, position of object is at C. A ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the principal focus. A ray passing through the principal focus after reflection will emerge parallel to the principal axis. Image is formed at the point of intersection of these two rays. means at C real, inverted and of the same size image is formed. C is called center of curvature. Now let us come to the question. An object is kept at the center of curvature of a concave mirror. The position and nature of the image formed is. As we have already observed, correct answer is at the center of curvature and inverted. Next question. The power plant in which natural source of energy is directly used to rotate turbines is. Before answering this question, let us analyze the options one by one. Firstly, thermal power plant. In thermal power stations, large amount of fossil fuels are burnt to heat up water to produce steam, which rotates turbines. Next, hydroelectric power plant. Here, tidal energy is used directly to rotate turbines. Next, nuclear power plant. Here, energy released from nuclear fission is used to heat up water to produce steam, which rotates turbines. Finally, solar power plant. Here, solar energy is converted into electricity. Here, turbines are not used. Now, let us come to the question. The power plant in which natural source of energy is directly used to rotate turbines is. Correct answer is hydroelectric power plant. Next question. An example for saturated hydrocarbon is. First, let us learn what are saturated hydrocarbons. Carbon compounds containing only single bond between carbon atoms are called saturated hydrocarbons. First option is C2H6 means ethane. Structure of ethane is C2, that is 2 carbon atoms. Valency of carbon is 4. So we have to write 4 bonds for each carbon. Finally, 6 hydrogen atoms. Next is C3H4 means propyne. Its structure. Here triple bond is present, so it is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Next option is C2H2 ethane. Ethane's structure. Ethane also has triple bond, so it is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Next option is C2H4 means ethene. Ethene's structure is like this. Ethene has double bond, so ethene is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now, among the following saturated hydrocarbon is option A, C2H6. Next question. The incorrect statement related to thyroxine hormone among the following is. Let us answer this question after knowing about thyroxine. Thyroid gland is located in the neck region. Thyroid gland produces thyroxine hormone. Iodine is necessary for the production of thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism. Deficiency of iodine in our food causes a disease called goiter. Now, the correct answer for this question, that is incorrect statement, is it is secreted by parathyroid gland. Other remaining 3 statements are correct statements. The molecular formula of 3 carbon compounds which are in homologous series are C2H6, C3H8, C4H10. The suitable general formula for these compounds is. Let us examine the options one by one. First option is CnH2n. Here n indicates the number of carbon atoms. Let us find out the answer by taking C2H6 from the question. N means number of carbon atoms, that is 2. 2n means 2 into n's value is also 2, that is 4. For CnH2n we get the value C2H4. So this is not the correct answer. Second formula CnH2n minus 1. Let us examine this one also. Formula derived from second option do not matches to the formula in the question. Third option CnH2n minus 2. Let us examine this also. This general formula also do not matches. Now let us examine the final option CnH2n plus 2. Now the derived formula matches to the formula in the question. So the correct answer is CnH2n plus 2.